I had asked for some open records requests for animal control, and I know everybody's tired of hearing about it, reading about it, and everything else, but it's my understanding state law says that there's supposed to be an in sheet and an intake-outtake sheet for every animal, and we don't have that, or I didn't get that. I got a bunch of intake sheets and listed several animals on one sheet, and then I have to go through here to see if I can find where they went, and of course I can't match them all up, and there's a lot of other things on here. I need to know where every animal, according to state animal protection law, is supposed to have a card, and the card shows when they came in and how they came in, if they were picked up as a stray, if the owner surrendered them, if they were, you know, hurt out on the road and picked up or whatever, and how they were disposed of. If they were adopted, if they were rescued, if their owner found them, or what. But we don't have that. We have no way of telling where the animals went, or, you know, what happened to them, how they came in, this kind of stuff. We just have sheets that say this came in, but we don't know what happened to them. We also have sheets in here that people supposedly adopt animals, and there's nothing on there that says what they adopted. We've got sheets that, anyway, there's a problem. We don't know where the animals came from, we don't know where they're going. And I would like to request better records, for one thing. Also, from this, you can't determine if there were any adoption fees collected. I have found sheets in here where there are fees that are set, obviously, on the sheets that are printed, and they have been changed by the animal control officer, and that kind of thing. So, I need to know, I would like a list from animal control of where all the animals went. And I'll just put it down to the Linda Bell case.
Right, and because the way the request was made, and I asked for clarification, I knew there were problems with it, and because it was just these time periods, because there was animals that went out after that time period that may have been intake, and we can give you your, if it's specificity as far as that case, we'll get that done for you, ma'am.
But specifically, it doesn't matter what it is. Like this dog here was picked up as a stray. I'm just going to give it. It's a bird dog. It was picked up as a stray. It was white. It was a female. Doesn't ever tell what happened to the dog.
That's because it didn't go out until after the time frame that you requested.
It doesn't. It's supposed to be on one sheet. According to state law, you have a card that tells what happened to every animal.
But you asked for those specific time frames. We'll get that taken care of for you, ma'am.
But if this animal came in on 8/8.
I think she has.
If this animal came in on 8/8 and went out 3 weeks ago, it should be on this card.
I think she has separate cards for me.
Yeah. That's my understanding.
Well, that's what I had asked for. I asked for the intake-outtake card.
Okay, Lori?
I think when she, and I don't know because I'm not seeing the records, but when they come in, they're assigned a number, and then they have an out card with that same number. So you have to find the corresponding card.
What I'm saying, the law says they're supposed to have an in card and an out.
Right, and I'm not aware of that, so I'm going to verify, and I have myself in that.
Do that, but that's what I want to know.
Okay then.
And I also want to know if adoption fees were paid on these animals, because it doesn't appear that they were.
A lot of them in the Bell case were rescued because of the condition of the animals.
I understand that, but there's some that weren't.
Okay.